Some of my listeners, he asked me about the word yani, and he asked if the word yani is a filler word. And it is actually true. We do have, just like in English, you hear the word like, or well, or actually, or all these words are like, is not really a word. I don't know what is, but like, filler words. We have the same oh, and that's a filler word in English, I guess. Anyway, we do have filler words in Arabic. We use them a lot, and sometimes they don't really mean much, but we just use them just because, a filler word. And as a native speaker, sometimes we don't really notice how much we use specific words. But when a non native speaker listen to us, they will be like, why you say this word a lot? Um, so I'm gonna go over some of the words we use. The first one is yani. Now the word yani, it does have a meaning, and it means meaning. The word yani, meaning, like the word meaning, the word yani means meaning. So if you say something and then you want to explain it more, you can say yani, and now you're using the word yani for a reason. But sometimes we might use the word yani just like for no reason, just because. So that's when it is a filler word. Now, other word we use is khalas. I think I have talked about the word khalas before. Khalas means to finish or to end, but also we use it sometimes in a sentence or in a beginning, mostly in the beginning of a sentence, like in the beginning of sentences, we use filler words. And again, we use it just because. Another word we use is bas. Now, bas is also a word. It means but or stop, depends on how you use it. And I'm going to go over that in another episode. So it does have a meaning. Now, sometimes we use it, and it doesn't mean stop or but or anything. It's just there. It's like a filler word. And again, mostly they will be in the beginning of a sentence. Next word, I talked about it the other day also. It's wallah. Wallah, it does have a meaning. It means swear to God, but we use it sometimes. It doesn't have to be like I swear to God, wallah. We just use it again, just because, a filler word. Another word we use is huwa. And I actually read the word huwa on Google, like filler words in Arabic. And when I thought about it, I was like, that's actually true. I do use this word sometimes in a big of sentence just because. So it is actually true. Huwa, it does mean something. It means he, but sometimes we might use it in a beginning of the sentence again as a filler word. So these are some words. We use them as filler words. Again, they do have meanings, but sometimes we use them mostly in a beginning of the sentence just because. So they are يعني, هو, بس, خلاص, والله. I hope this helps. Make sure you check out my description, my workbooks. If you're looking for a tutor, I teach one-on-one. My email address is in the description as well. Thank you so much for listening.